Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G Pure, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list, and in here you'll should be able to find the power or battery saver as it's called. So once you find it, simply tap on it. It will bring up a message, turn on battery saver. Battery saver turns on dark theme and limits or turns off background activity, some visual effects, certain features, and some network connections. Just select turn on. And I'll quickly go into just what this mode actually does. Try to explain it just a little bit from as much as I can gather. So obviously dark mode is self-explanatory. Visual effects would be things like high refresh rates and what else would be visual? I think that's probably the only one that's coming to my mind. Network would be Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is in sleep mode, so you will probably experience some kind of like delays or just no delivery at all, like mail, Facebook Messenger kind of messages, and so on. So if you have experienced this, it's probably because of the power saving mode. Now, anyway, that is how you would turn it on, and once you're done with it, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once more and just tapping on it once again, and everything should revert back to what it was before. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.